Guys, good afternoon. I'm Frank of Boss Frank. So, I just want to show you yung bagong upgrade natin for the client, no? For the S-Works ATOS. Very minimal lang naman yung in-upgrade natin, which is makakatulong din to sa mga rides natin. At first, kung makikita nyo, check mo akin. Yan. So, ayan yung ano guys, yun yung in-upgrade, no? So, pabot nga ako nerds nung box na malaki. So guys, crank arm, nag-upgrade si client ng LED, carbon crank, and alum spindle, no? So, yan isa siya sa pinakamagaan nung LED na crank arm. Then, we use ceramic speed bottom bracket, BSA 30, no? Kasi yung alum spindle is, pwede ka mamili kung gusto mo mag bottom bracket ng 29 or 30. Then, for the power meter, XKD. Ayan, guys. XKD. So, kung makikita nyo, ayan siya guys. Angat ko ah. Ayan. Okay. So, very minimal lang yung upgrade natin pero makakatulong yan guys. So, for updates lang, if you want to upgrade the crank na para mapagaan, we do have LED, meron tayong mga titanium spindle, carbon spindle, and titanium spindle. So, iba-iba yung price, ranging from 20 to 38,000. That's for the crank arm only. And for the XKD, yung power meter natin na Spider, 17,000 plus lang. Ceramic speed, 19,800. So, yun guys. Konting upgrade for the S-Works ATOS, pero malaking tulong guys. Thank you.